How about another bit of animal spirit medicine? Today, the swan. Effortless creativity, sensitive mystic, elegant power. The swan represents heightened creativity. In Hindu mythology, the goddess Saraswati, the embodiment of language, creativity, and artistry, rides on the back of this graceful creature. The swan is ready to take us there, to the fluid realm of writing, creating, and reflecting. This potent and healing energy is not to be taken for granted or taken lightly. When the swan card appears, your soul is calling for attention, for solo time. An inner voice is waiting to be heard, an inner vision likely to be revealed. It always comes to us when we are safe. There's no place like home. We're not looking for hope. We need home, to cultivate home. As a group, we need to learn emotional intelligence and how to cultivate home within. Then you're unshakable. When in balance, infinite creative power, your power, my power, we all are in our own power. So we have to take responsibility is the point. To bring into balance your inner wisdom of swan, solo time. There's no place like that sacred home space within. I love you. Have a good day.